Greetings, geeks. Welcome to GeekToMeCrafts, where I help you source affordable craft supplies, as well as provide tutorials and DIYs. And today I have a very unique project for you. I received a paint by number from someone at my job, and I have never done one of these as an adult. And I certainly haven't done one like this to this extent. So this is a picture of what it's supposed to look like. It is it looks like a peony in a glass bottle. It's very pretty. It came with a guide on paper as well as canvas. So I'm a teacher and we are on winter break right now, and I was able to finish this project in less than 2 weeks. Now, that's with me working on it once my children go to bed and some other times other than that, but I was a little surprised at how quickly it did go. And I did record most of it with time lapse so that you're not watching boringness. So I'm just gonna put on some fun music and I hope you enjoy. As always, thank you for watching. If you make it all the way to the end, I have a special treat for you. So make sure you stick around all the way to the end. If you get value out of this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, we're almost done here. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. To let me know that you made it all the way, can you comment in the description box an emoji related to art? Could be anything, could be a picture, could be the palette, paintbrush, whatever. Leave me a comment below. That is going to enter you in a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a set of jewelry that I have made. This giveaway will end on January 6th. So if you're watching in the future, this giveaway is over, but if you win, I am going to send you an email and you can send me back your contact information so that I can ship you your prize. So thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of this, please subscribe.